Imagine a machine so powerful it could unravel the very code protecting Bitcoin and Ethereum. In a flash, cryptographic locks guarding billions of dollars might snap open. Science fiction or an imminent reality? This is the looming showdown between quantum computing and cryptocurrency, an unstoppable force versus an immovable object. Today we explore quantum versus Bitcoin. Will crypto survive the post-quantum era? In this documentary, we'll journey from cutting-edge quantum labs to the core of blockchain security, uncovering how future quantum computers could threaten Bitcoin's survival and what's being done to fight back. Stay tuned as we dive into a high-stakes saga of technology and cryptography. Bitcoin and Ethereum rely on cryptographic algorithms like ECDSA and SHA-256, which are virtually unbreakable with today's computers. Cracking them would take longer than the age of the universe. But quantum computing could change that. Quantum bits, or qubits, can perform calculations in parallel, making them exponentially more powerful. Shor's algorithm could break ECDSA, exposing private keys. Grover's algorithm could weaken SHA-256, threatening Bitcoin's proof of work. So how powerful would a quantum computer need to be? Experts estimate millions of qubits to break ECDSA and hundreds of millions for SHA-256. Today's best chips, like Google's 105-qubit Willow, are nowhere near that level. For now, Bitcoin is safe, but quantum tech is advancing fast. The real question is, will we upgrade our crypto security before quantum computers make today's encryption obsolete? Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two largest cryptocurrencies, rely on cryptography that quantum computers could one day break. Both use ECDSA and SHA-256, leaving them vulnerable to the same threat. A powerful enough quantum machine could steal funds or undermine the blockchain. Their responses, however, may differ. Bitcoin's development is cautious and slow-moving, making upgrades harder to push through. Ethereum, on the other hand, is more flexible, willing to hard fork and adopt new technologies, like it did with the merge to proof of stake. This might help Ethereum pivot faster to quantum-resistant cryptography. Still, neither network has implemented post-quantum security yet. And while experts say we may have a decade or more, the risk is real. If a quantum breakthrough comes sooner than expected, it could be catastrophic. The clock is ticking, and the race to future-proof crypto has already begun. While Bitcoin and Ethereum still rely on classical cryptography, some newer blockchains are built to be quantum-resistant from day one. Take QRL, the quantum-resistant ledger. Launched in 2018, it uses XMSS, a hash-based signature approved by NIST for post-quantum security. It's immune to Shor's algorithm, and QRL is already planning to upgrade to Crystal's dilithium to stay ahead. Then there's Moshimo, a fast, scalable blockchain using Watts+, a one-time signature scheme. Each transaction uses a fresh key, minimizing the impact of any quantum breach. Moshimo also optimizes performance to make post-quantum crypto more practical. These projects are small compared to Bitcoin or Ethereum, but they prove a point. Post-quantum crypto isn't science fiction. It's real, it works, and it's already here. Whether the giants adapt in time is another story. How long do we have before quantum computers can break crypto? In 2019, Google hit quantum supremacy with a 53-qubit chip. IBM followed with a roadmap to reach 1,000 plus qubits. Fast forward to 2022, IBM's Osprey reached 433 qubits, and NIST began rolling out post-quantum encryption standards, a clear sign the threat is real. Startups like PsiQuantum claim we'll see million-qubit machines by 2025 to 2030. Google aims for a practical, error-corrected quantum computer by 2029. But scaling isn't just about qubits. It's about making them stable and error-free. Experts say it might take 1,000 physical qubits to get just one reliable logical qubit. Most predictions point to the late 2030s as the danger zone, when quantum computers could crack encryption like RSA or ECDSA. Some say it might be the 2040s. Others warn it could come sooner. Governments and tech giants are racing to prepare. The term Y2Q, year to quantum, now marks the countdown to that moment. For crypto, the clock is ticking. 1 decade might be all we have to secure the future. In 2021, Bitcoin rolled out Taproot, a major upgrade introducing Schnorr signatures and smarter, more private transactions. It was a big win for efficiency and privacy, but here's the catch. Schnorr, like ECDSA, is still based on elliptic curves. That means a quantum computer powerful enough to break ECDSA could break Schnorr just as easily. Taproot made Bitcoin more flexible, not more quantum resistant. And that was intentional. In 2021, quantum threats weren't seen as urgent, so Bitcoin developers focused on near-term improvements. But times are changing. Conversations about post-quantum upgrades are gaining momentum in the Bitcoin community. Ideas like quantum-safe soft forks and new address types. Taproot showed that Bitcoin can evolve. The real question now, will it evolve fast enough to survive the quantum future? The real defense against quantum threats isn't better hardware, it's better cryptography. That's where post-quantum cryptography comes in. New encryption and signature algorithms designed to resist quantum attacks. After years of global research, NIST is finalizing standards like Crystal's dilithium, Falcon, Sphinx Plus, and Kyber. These algorithms rely on math problems like lattices and hash trees, far tougher for quantum computers to crack than elliptic curves. Tech giants like IBM are already integrating quantum-safe encryption. So how does crypto follow? For Bitcoin, a soft fork could add quantum-safe address types using signatures like dilithium. Ethereum could allow smart contracts to verify quantum-proof signatures. Yes, PQC signatures are larger and less efficient, but the trade-off is long-term security. With NIST standards arriving by 2024 and early adoption by the late 2020s, the crypto world has a clear path forward. The tools are here. Now it's a race to implement them before quantum computers catch up. Securing crypto for the quantum age isn't just up to scientists and developers, it's a community mission. Here's what's happening and what you can do. 1. Developer initiatives. Bitcoin devs are exploring soft forks like Qubit, adding quantum-safe signature options. Ethereum might use account abstraction to let users choose quantum-resistant verification. If you're a developer, join the discussion. Your input matters. 2. Avoid address reuse. If your public key is exposed, it's a quantum target. The safest move? Use a new address for every transaction. Modern wallets do this, but double-check yours. If you've reused addresses, move your funds. It's simple and dramatically reduces future risk. 3. Stay informed and support upgrades. Watch for updates from NIST and crypto dev teams. When the time comes, the network will need wide support to activate quantum-safe upgrades, just like with Taproot. Be ready to update, educate, and coordinate. 4. Diversify and support. Some users hedge by investing in quantum-resistant projects like QRL. Others fund open-source quantum-safe initiatives. If you can't code, you can still spread the word. Awareness is power. The quantum threat may be years away, but the window to prepare is now. Crypto's survival in the quantum era depends on community readiness. Let's not wait until it's too late. The clash of quantum computers and cryptocurrency will be one of the defining tech battles of the 21st century. We've seen that the threat is real. Quantum algorithms can break the very encryption that protects our digital money. But we've also seen that solutions are in motion, from new cryptographic shields to forward-thinking projects already a step ahead. Will crypto survive the post-quantum era? The likely answer is yes, if we're prepared. History favors the adaptable. Bitcoin has evolved before and, guided by a vigilant community, it can evolve again. Ethereum and others have innovation in their DNA, and upstarts like QRL and Mochimo show that the future can be embraced, not feared. The next decade will test the crypto community's foresight and unity. It's a high-stakes race between innovation and obsolescence. But with global experts on the case and open-source communities rallying, there's a good chance that when the quantum storm arrives, crypto will stand firm, its defenses upgraded and stronger than ever. In this narrative, the heroes are not just the technologists, but all of us in the community who choose to act. And now, your part in this story begins. If you found this deep dive enlightening, hit the like button and subscribe for more cinematic tech documentaries. Join the conversation. Let us know in the comments. Do you believe Bitcoin will adapt in time, or will a new crypto rise to take its place in the quantum age? Your engagement helps more people see this critical topic. Together, by staying informed and proactive, we can ensure that the crypto revolution not only survives, but thrives in the face of quantum computing. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay safe and stay ahead of the curve.